Hey, we're going to Callaghan Rapids in the Marmor, Ontario area. I've been here for 8 years now in the area, and I've never been able to find these caves. Today is the day that we go exploring for it, so come along. Okay, well, normally here, we come here for swimming and hanging out. I was just here yesterday. I got some drone footage. I've got the drone with me today, so I might get a little bit of buzz around the Iron Bridges again. We're coming in from Iron Bridges. We're not coming down from the actual Callahan Rapids. That's a bit more of a walk, I think. I have an idea of where it is. Not too sure entirely, so we're gonna take a look. Too. Look at this cat. It goes right up into the bush. That's really cool. If you needed any more proof, this is actually a river. That's yeah, that's a paddle boat. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. Okay, well, I think we found it. We walked around here a little bit. We saw some extra stuff, like little cuts and stuff like that, which is really cool. But I think that's it. I think this blue marker over here, I think that marks, I've lost it. This mark, little blue thing, we also have a boat. It's a good marker. Well, I just made a big mistake. I just blew a couple parts on the drone.